Hello folks, so we've got this Midland 3001 if you saw the video, and if you remember, this has been kindly donated to us. Somebody bought this on eBay on our behalf and has kindly sent it at their expense, and it's greatly appreciated. And it's what's described as, best described, it was tatty, and what I've done is we've resprayed the case the correct colour, and in the previous video you'll see the RAL number that I used. That's not finished. I've temporarily put it on for this video. I've not got the internal speaker on. We're on external speaker only. But I needed to get the video out in order to progress onto customer repairs, back onto customer repairs tomorrow. So the front was smashed, and what I've done is to use, we've got a damaged front which I bought in, and we've amalgamated that damaged front with the damaged front which was on it to produce a good front, or goodish one. But I mean, it's a 40-year-old set, isn't it? And it now works nicely. It's doing a full 4 watt output. And the thing about it was that it was the receiver that was down. It was something like 3.5 microvolts. And it's now down to 0.61, which is what you expect. They're normally going to be between 0.7 and 0.5 microvolts. So not a sensitive Cybernet set, but they're not as insensitive. That's the first thing I've heard on it. They're not as insensitive as Uniden sets. There we go. Maxon chassis. People love this Precision series a lot. Tango 21 test. So having this in DX means that I bet he's on CPT, you know. We did CPT yesterday. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Oh, that's the wrong channel as well. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, I thought you had a problem for a minute, but I was still on EU.
I've just dialed it into my handheld in case you were still on EU, but you must have thought at the same time. Yeah, I'm ready to go.
No, I actually heard you on the EU channel. It must be, you know, signal must be so strong it's breaking through.
I just called you on the EU channel.
Oh, right. Oh, that's probably why. It didn't sound very good, but there you go.
Yeah, do you know what? I think that handheld transmits in AM on and receives in FM. I think it's screwed up.
Right, roger that. Right, well, I'm ready when you are.
Roger, off we go.
Roger.
So, local DX, local switches in the RF gain control, so that it's then variable. DX means it's always at maximum sensitivity, and the RF gain is inactive. Filter is a tone control, which we'll use in a moment. Public address, on off volume squelch.
Right, passing the house and recording.
And on this radio we've got a tone control.
Right, so I'm heading up the lane
Base
towards
here.
the end of it. Now passing the passing place
Base
and
here.
doggy daycare, which is
More gently. Roger on that. There's still a bit of light.
A little bit.
Roger.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Roger, going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got your loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Roger, got your loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. On the Midland 3001 Precision Series from 1982. The one you just replaced the power connector on. And it's in a full 4-watt output, and I'm on a standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
No, not today. I'm passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you the Greyleys again. Chippie coming in.
Yeah, she's come through on mine. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. On this Midland 3001 precision set, which has been donated to us, and it's doing full 4 watt output. I'm on a standard replacement mic and it's drawing 905 milliamps. Now Midland precision series sets don't have low power, so that's all you get. Over.
Yep, roger that. That was all received very well.
There we go. And did the camcorder viewfinder work, or did you have to plug in the external monitor?
It came on straight away. I had to reposition it because, of course, the mount's in a different place.
Right. See, when you threaten it with something else, it's behaving. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Perform that. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Well, this has performed absolutely brilliantly, so thanks very much. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
There you go, you can't argue with that. Absolutely solid performance. I know people hate these because in a city situation this chassis suffers from descents. Not bleed over, but descents. But, you know, we're in the middle of nowhere. Absolutely work a dream. So, thank you to that person. They will be offered it back at repair cost only, or we'll be selling it on. So that's how it goes. So thanks for watching. We'll go over to the base station. We'll see what it sounds like on our base station with that standard replacement mic. Tango 21, testing the Midland 3001 with our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Thanks for watching. And tomorrow I think we've got the return of the Bantam Route 66. We did it on the air test with it. This is the Mark 1 we did about a week ago. I wasn't satisfied with the on the air test, so we're going to have a look at some of the audio processing circuits. It might be just how it is, or it might not. Thanks for watching.